this PS. We love you, XOXO. And today I'm Ian. All we're gonna be doing today is slime. So today I'm just gonna be showing you all my slime. And yeah, that's just my mic. Pop solo. It's really cool. Okay, yeah, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slimes here. Today I'm just going to be showing you them, and then maybe we can fix some of them as well if I don't like it, because some of these are really sticky, including this Nutella and this huge one, because it's huge obviously. So all we're going to do is go to the worst from the best, from the worst to the best. So I'm just gonna get them in order now. Oh yeah, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, and follow me and Peyton on Instagram and me Snapchat and Musically. We will put our names in the description down below. So yeah, so oh no, that was nothing, it was just fluff. I have my slimy prints because we always get slime over me, so I just got an apron and it's really big because it's my sister, so I'm just gonna tie that up if I can. Nope, I can't do it. Okay, we'll just have to work like this. That's what it looks like. You know, I'm literally standing on it. Okay, so this is probably the worst. And then the Nutella, then this. It might be our camera level because I don't think these are all lined up. That's the best one. That's the second best. And then the third and then fourth. Okay, so let me just move these to the side and then get on to the worst slime. Okay, so this is really big and it's really sticky. It's actually really stretchy. It feels like a hard slime, but a really sticky one. I really want this one to be stiff. I don't know why. Just I think it'll be really cool, just stiff. So today that's what I'm gonna be trying to be doing. And yeah, make sure you check out the video where me and Peyton made the news video. I watched that the other day. It's so cute. All you have to type in is Peyton and Sunny news, and then it's so cute. Okay, so that's that slime, and it's not pokey at all, so that's why I don't really like it. Next slime, the Nutella one. This is like kind of the same, but not. It's brown, it's crunchy. So and make sure you check me and Peyton out on Etsy. My name is Sunny Slime Surprise, but it's not Sunny's, it's just Sunny. And then Peyton's is, I can't remember Peyton's, but I'll ask her. Yeah, so that's basically the same slime. So okay, now this one is a bit different. It's like green, but it's like stiff. It's not stiff. It's like how I wanted the big one to be. So let me get this out on the table because I couldn't do this with this one. If I can even get it out. I'm gonna stick my hand in there. Okay, that's enough. There's lots of beads in here. Yeah, so this one is actually quite good. It's not amazing though. I really wanted these crunchy ones to be really good, but oh well, we'll fix them later because if we don't do anything else in this video, it's going to be really short. I have an itch, but I have slime all over my hands. Okay, let's close that and go on to the next one. These are so cute, really cute. Is to just show you these ones. These are different ones. Look, it's really cute. They're like different colours and things. One's purple, but it doesn't really look that purple on camera, but it looks grey on camera, but it's actually a really nice colour, purple. And you'll see it though, because there's a big batch of this that I'm showing you. So this is the purple one. This is just like some of my clicky. It's really stretchy. It's stretchy. It is actually really stretchy. It's just because it's only a little bit. It's pokey. Let's do a mini Instagram swirl. I can't do a mini one. Okay, let's put that back. And then we have this brown one, but it's the big one, so I won't get that out because it's too sticky. Then this one, which one is this one? Oh, this one's my small slime event. This is this is the grey brownish slime. Yeah, this is the grey slime. I really like this colour grey though. I love the colour grey. And then this last one that's in here, this is my favourite, so you won't be seeing a big patch of it. This is this one. You won't be seeing that bit until the end. So yes. That's all, and then now we got this one. That I said the purplish one. No, this is the grey one that I said. I really like this one. It's stretchy and it's bubbly, kind of. Yeah, it is bubbly. It's just like, I can't do that. It's normally really good at, bubbles. Let me just get I have loads of poking tools. This is how you tell if it's pokey. But this is how you properly tell. If it sounds like this, then you're not doing it right. You're going. Okay, all you do is, if it sounds like that, yeah, it's really good slime because I've tested it before, and this is really good slime. And as you see, like, Malia's on our channel a lot, and who else has been on our channel before? Sissy's been on our channel before, so shout out to them. And who else has been on the channel? I think Ollie has as well, and he's left school, so yeah, but still shout out. Who else? I can't think. I think my brother's has, I don't know. And then let's try and do a. Yay! It's just because it's small slime. After I fix like all my slimes, I'm selling them on Etsy. So make sure you buy some of them because this is £3 I think because it's free shipping, or £3.50, I don't know yet. This one, oh no, I can't show you that. That's the next one. This one is I haven't thought of that one yet. And then this one's going to be 75p, but I'm going to make more of it, and then I'm just going to, sell it for £1 because I'm going to make more. But I only sell to the UK, so sorry you guys out there if you do watch these. And then these, I don't know about that yet. It looks so cool that when you just look at it, like the shades. This one is $3.50. The Nutella one's also $3.50. And then I'm not selling the whole thing. I'm like putting it in like smaller bits because, you know, who wants a slime that big? So yeah, that's why I made a big one. Let me try one more bubble, and we'll go on to the 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go on to the 5th slime. No, we'll go on to the 6th slime. Yeah, okay, I just love this. I can't get rid of it. Whoa. That was so cool. I want to see that again. Let me try it again, and then I'll do a bubble. Oh, I can do that. It got stuck to my finger. Whoa! I did it. Oh, and I done this video before. I don't know if I've posted it yet with Malia, and I made a huge slime bubble. Yeah. So that's really cute. I love this slime. I can't get rid. I'm so sad to sell this on Etsy though. Comment down below if you know what Etsy is, and comment down below if do you sell on it, or and then if you do sell on it, comment your name and then I can look at your shop name. Maybe I'll buy something for you. I don't know. Okay, so that is it, and then this one is literally one of my favorites. Well, it's my second. It's my second favorite. That's why I showed it. Like this one is. Let me see, which one is it? Is that one opposite the blue? That one? No, not opposite. Diagonal. This is like the best slime ever. Oh, that one didn't work. Let's try that again. This is the best slime ever. Let's do the poke test with my magic wand. Bippity boppity. Ready? I gotta do a trick. Bippity boppity. Boop. Aha! Ready? Let me do the slime. Bippity boppity. Where'd my slime go? What if I just tapped one? No. I don't think that would work. I said bippity boppity boo. What if I say boo boppity bip? Boo boppity. So pretty. I don't really need that. Oh, my slimes ain't stiff, so we can keep it here. Actually, no. We gotta get our slime back. What if I can. I done it! My slime! Wait, is this the right slime, or is someone just tricking me? This magic wand is useless. Wait, what if I disappear myself? How does someone do that? How does someone do that, guys? Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, this is my slime. Let's do a slime swirl. Comment down below how you do slime swirl. This is like a drippy slime, so it's quite hard to do. Try again. Ah! It's really drippy. Okay, so what I do is I go like that, and then I start doing that. But sometimes I do this. I flip it in half. If I can even do that. Okay, so that's one half. This is two half, and then I go like that, and then I go. But it's really drippy, so I can't. Okay, my hair's messy. Okay, so now for the grand finale, my slime. Wait, where is it? Not again, guys. Wait, what? Oh, okay. This is like really good slime. I love this slime. It's a really nice kind of blue. And then, now, let's try the magic trick. This is going to make it the best slime in history. Bippity boppity. Just gave me my Nutella slime. Let's get my slime back. I'm just gonna wait till it just randomly comes. I need for my purple one. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is my slime. It has little beads and it's really cute. It's a nice blue sea blue slime. It's stretchy, really stretchy. It does slime bubbles. I'm gonna do one right now. Hang on. Whoa! I told you it make, and then it just rises, then it pops. One of my old slimes, I think I lost one of my old slimes, but did you see that then? Before, I lost one of my old slimes, and it was actually really good. But then, before I lost it, I just figured out when I done a bubble, I touched it with a pin and things, and then it didn't pop. It was a miracle, so then I just went, and then it popped. I love doing this with, what's your favourite thing to do with slime? My favourite thing is, when it's sticky, I always put it down and I rub it because it just makes it good, like, because this is already good slime, it doesn't work, it's just like, let me try with my brown one. I'll get back to this one now. Let me just get a little bit. Oh no, I need more. My gold bead, boy. My gold bead. Oh, it's a black chunky. Never mind, you won't be having them on Etsy though. This is mint sauce slime because it's green. See what I mean? Look, it's like thickening up. Like, look at that. It might not work though with that one because it might not work with some, but if they're crunchy or if they have foam beads in, because like, yeah. So now let's go back to this amazing one. So it's really pokey. It's stretchy. It's what's called clicky, not clicky, bubbly. It makes lots of bubbles. So let me show you how it's done, boy. Wow! That actually like stayed for like 2 seconds. And there's also clay in here and it's butter slime. It spreads loads. Let me get a knife. So there's a knife. It's a bit wet, but that's fine. So let me just. Okay. So we have this. We have. I don't know if you could see or not. Yeah, you can see now. I could have done this through the whole video. Literally just. It's so, you know, spreadable. So buttery. This is actually really satisfying. This should be on like one of them satisfying videos. No, it's messed up. It's fine, let's carry on. The parent's actually on her way to France right now, so yeah. That's why she isn't in this video, otherwise she would be. I always make videos now, it's just like I always forget to post them. So I have loads on my mum's iPad while I'm using right now, and she uses this for like music videos and things, and just, yeah, it's an iPad, it's an Apple, yeah, it's just like, I always forget because like I'm really busy, I'm always busy, I always do something every day, like today, what's the day today? Saturday, I was meant to go dance but I couldn't because of my brothers won football, so then instead I stayed home with my sister Tori, and yes. Oh, and I had so much fun in the school fair. I know it was a bit while ago, but since we're doing slime right now, why not speak about it? So basically what happened was, Summer wanted to join us, so we thought why not, so then we let her join. And yeah, it was actually really fun. Peyton and Malia were going off buying loads of sweets, mostly Peyton. She literally, she worked there for like 1 second, went off all ready to go and look. And then my mum helped us as well, and then that was cool. And then I went over, like, not the day of the fair, but I went over Maria's before, and then Summer came in after, then we made red slime, but then it didn't work. So then we made a slime smoothie, and then it made this. And then I made Nutella, and then I made this, then I made mint sauce, then I made this, then I made this, and then yesterday I made this. Wait, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. I absolutely am in love with this slime. I think I have an obsession with slime. I'm just gonna edit this video so far because I'm just gonna see how long it is, and then if it's like over 10 or over 15, that's fine. But if it's over 10, I could do like 5 more minutes. But yeah, so I'll see you in a second.